Okay, magandang araw sa inyo. I'm back for another tip, another success tip para sa iyo. Ito yung strategy or a principle that every salesman knows. Even the greatest salespeople. I know, probably sabi mo, oh, well, I'm not into sales. Pero anyone who's involved in getting people to believe in an idea, actually that is sales. Okay? Even if you're not selling anything, the fact that you want a person or somebody you're talking to believe in an idea that you're presenting, that's actually selling. So ito po, let's go to the strategy. Every successful salesperson, even the greatest salesman, they know this law of average. We call it the law of average, or we can also call it the law of numbers. Ano ibig sabihin ng law of average or law of numbers? We actually work with numbers. We work with averages. Because sa totoo lang po, there's no such thing as 100% presentation to a close ratio. Wala pong nakakagawa niyan. It doesn't matter if you're the greatest kumbaga speaker, ikaw yung sobrang galing mo mag-present, okay? There's no such thing as 100% closing ratio. Ano ibig sabihin nun? If you talk to at least 10 people, there's no such thing as 10 people will buy your idea. Okay, alam mo yun? Na may sinasabi ka, let's say you're talking to at least 10 people and not 100% of them believes in what you're saying, or hindi sila agree doon sa idea na sinasabi mo. But that's actually selling. So hindi siya 100%. So meaning sa 10 nakakausapin mo in whatever you're selling or you're asking them to join, hindi 100% po. Okay, so that's why we have to bring as many as we can because of this, the law of average. Okay, so the law of average differs depending sa skill ng tao, depending sa product or services being offered, and depende sa timing. So ang daming factors. Hindi ibig sabihin na sobrang galing mo, 2%, yung kausap mo, bibili agad. Hindi mo alam, may pinagdaanan pala. Kakatapos lang pala ng hospitalization ng magulang niya, naubos yung hundreds of thousands or millions niya. Tapos you're trying to offer something na hindi niya ma-afford because wala sa timing. Diba? Pwede naman sobrang ganda ng product mo, sobrang galing ng presentation mo, pero hindi niya kailangan. Like me, you can never sell me a hair grower or of shampoo or conditioner, kahit anong galing mo pa, hindi ako bibili. Right? So that's the law of average. The statistics would always tell us, a salesman, the lowest in the law of average or law of numbers is 10%. 10% conversion. 10:1 in ratio. Meaning sa 10 kakausapin mo, isa ang bibili. Okay? That's the minimum. Pinaka-minimum na yun. But sometimes nga, mayroon kaming chances na sa 10 presentation this week, walang bumili. Oh, akala ko ba 10:1? Wala. Pero, in the next week, let's say, we presented to 10 people again, 3 yung bumili. Okay. So, kung titignan mo, 20:3. Isama mo yung last week na walang bumili. Okay, we just play with the numbers. So, what I'm trying to tell you here is you have to bring the numbers in. If you want to be successful in whatever you're doing, be it a business, be it in network marketing, be it in definitely in sales, or just about anything that you're trying to persuade people to believe in the concept or the idea that you're telling them. Okay, work with the numbers. So, halimbawa lang, in what we're doing right now, we're required to at least minimum to bring in 3 people. So, how many people will you have to approach and make them attend the Zoom? 3? If the law of average applies, 10:1. So, yung 10% of 3 is 0.03, which is wala pang isa. So, meaning if you bring 3 friends to attend the Zoom, it means walang mag-oo. Diba? Oo. Kaya pala, I already talked to 5 people and they all rejected me. Umattend man yung iba, pero they don't said yes. Yeah, because you're below the average. Okay? Sa beginners, or at least kahit kami, kahit mga advanced na, we still respect the law of average, which is 10:1. Pag sumobra doon, then it's a bonus. Pero we always put in our mind na sa 10 kakausapin ko, isa yung oo at bibili or mag-join. Okay, so make sure you work with the numbers. So wag kang madi-discourage. Yung iba kasi, nakausap ko na yung 7 friends ko, lahat sila ayaw. Ang hirap naman ito. Ganito pala to. Pangit siguro ng product ko or product ng services or whatever I'm offering. Hindi totoo yan. Because kulang ka. You're not abiding with the law of average. It's a principle. So make it 10 for you to get 1. Okay, make it 20 for you to get 2. Make it 30 for you to get 3. Wow, ang dami pala. Yes. That's the law of average. Pero paano? Sa 10 mo palang na-pattern, 5 yung pumasok. Wow. So, hindi totoo yung sinasabi ni Kiko. Sabi niya, 10:1. Yung 10, 5 na kagad yung nag-join o bumili. Well, that's good for you. Again, sabi ko sa inyo, maraming factors. Pero let's expect the most minimum, which is 10:1. Pag nagawa mo yung 10:5, wow, congratulations, and maganda yung timing ng alignment ng planeta para sa iyo. My message here is work with your numbers. Huwag kang ma-discourage kung 3 pa lang nakausap mo. Ayaw lahat mo join. Because you're below the average of the numbers. Make it 10, make it 20, make it 30. Kung sabi mo, ay, dami pala. Yes. We cannot, parang disprove this law because this is true. So you have to abide in it if you want to be successful. Alright, so again, maraming salamat po. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na success tip. God bless.